Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 steering pulling issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Steering pulling in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as the vehicle drifting or pulling to one side while driving straight, requiring constant steering correction. Verified owner reports and service information show that steering pull concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on suspension design, tire condition, alignment settings, and road conditions. One verified and frequently reported cause involves wheel alignment issues. Improper alignment settings such as incorrect toe or camber can cause the truck to pull to one side, often noticeable after suspension work, impacts with potholes, or normal wear over time. Another confirmed cause relates to tire condition and pressure. Uneven tire pressure, mismatched tire wear, or tire construction differences can cause directional pull even when alignment is within specification. Rotating or correcting tire pressure has been reported to change or eliminate the pulling behavior in some cases. Brake-related drag is also a documented factor. A sticking brake caliper or uneven brake component wear can cause resistance on one wheel, leading the vehicle to pull toward the affected side during driving. Suspension component wear has also been reported. Worn ball joints, control arm bushings, or tie rod ends can alter wheel positioning under load, resulting in steering pull that may worsen during acceleration or braking. Road crown and driving surface characteristics are another verified consideration. Many roads are designed with a slight slope for drainage, which can naturally cause vehicles to drift slightly to the right. This is not always a vehicle fault but can exaggerate existing alignment or tire issues. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include steering gear wear, frame alignment issues after collisions, or wheel bearing resistance. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include performing a professional wheel alignment, checking and equalizing tire pressure, inspecting tires for uneven wear, diagnosing brake drag, and inspecting suspension and steering components for wear. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 steering pulling complaints are resolved through alignment correction or tire-related adjustments rather than steering system replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, suspension configuration, and road conditions. In conclusion, Ford F-150 steering pulling is typically linked to alignment issues, tire-related factors, brake drag, or suspension wear. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.